Did you know that Canvas has a webcam recording feature? In this video, I will show you how to use the studio side of Canvas to do a webcam recording. To do that, go to the navigation area on the left side of the screen when you're in Canvas and go down to Studio. Click on the Studio button and that will open up your library area of Studio. I have several videos that I've already either recorded or brought in from possibly like YouTube and other places, and I've put them in my studio side in my library. Let me walk you through how to do a webcam recording for you and your students. To do that, go to the top right where it says record. When you do this, it will turn on the camera. So therefore you need to be on a Chromebook that has a camera or a laptop or desktop that has a camera and a microphone. So I'm going to click on record. My only option on a Chromebook is webcam capture. If I am on a desktop or a laptop, I do have the option to do a screen recording. On a Chromebook, I can only do a webcam capture, so I'm going to do that. So it automatically turns on your camera. You have the option to switch the camera if you have several cameras on your device, and you could also go down to no video and turn off the video. If I turn off the video, then it becomes only an audio recording. For this video, I'm going to do a webcam recording, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that back on. And if you're using a different mic other than the one on the Chromebook, maybe you have some headphones that you want to use instead, you will switch them here. Okay. Once you are ready, you will click on the Start Recording button, and you get a countdown. Okay, students, so in this video, I will show you what to do when you get to the station. Follow these steps. Or my recording might be for a spelling test. Okay, students, so I'm going to give you the words through this video. I need you to have your paper numbered from 1 to 10. After I say each word, pause the video, write down your word on your piece of paper, and then you may hit play when you're ready for the next word. The ideas for your webcam capture recording can be anything you need to record yourself and your voice. Once I am finished, I'm going to click on the Finish button. Here I could listen to my video again and make sure it's what I needed. I could start all over if I don't like how that recorded. I do need to save it and give it a title so I could find it faster next time. And then I'm going to hit save. It takes a couple minutes for it to render and upload that video. The longer videos, of course, will take longer. Once it's ready, I could play it from here as well, just like I did inside of the video a couple minutes ago. So it's processing. Okay, so now if I go back into that video, I could view it and play it again. If I go back to my library, which is up here in the top left, I could see that video again. And I have a couple options inside of the menu area with the 3 dots. I could create a quiz, which we will show you how to do that in a different video. I could share this video with others. I could move it to a different collection within Studio if I do have collections already set up. I could replace the thumbnail, and that would replace the picture that students see before they watch the video, just like I have done on this one here to the right. And I could delete the media. If I replace the thumbnail, I do need to have a video saved somewhere in my Google Drive on a Chromebook or on the desktop or document area of a laptop. That is how you make a webcam recording. Watch our other videos to see how to share those with your students inside of your Canvas lessons.